हेलो एवरीवन, जेंटलमैन एंड लेडीज, शेफ डॉन किचन में आपका स्वागत है। आज खाना मैं नहीं बल्कि मेरे अजीज़ दोस्त बनाएंगे जिनका नाम है लईक आरिफ। लईक आरिफ काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस शेफ़ हैं, प्रोफेशनल शेफ़ हैं और मेरे काफ़ी पुराने दोस्त भी है। इनका 35 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है। हम दोनों ने साथ में काम किया है और काफ़ी अच्छे पकवान व्यंजन बना के हमने मज़े उड़ाए। और आज उन्होंने अपना स्पेशल हमें सिखाएंगे भुना गोश। आइए सीखते हैं उन्हीं के ज़ुबानी, उन्हीं के स्टाइल में भुना गोश।
Hello everybody, my name is Laeeq. I'm going to show you my special recipe of Bhuna Ghose. Bhuna Gosh, you need 3 to 4 pieces cinnamon bark, 10 cloves, 10 peppercorns, 3 bay leaves, 4 green cardamom, 4 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of haldi, turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 garam masala teaspoon, 2 cumin ground teaspoon, 1 coriander teaspoon, 3 green chillies, 50 gram garlic, 50 gram ginger, finely chopped, or you can use puree if you like. Coriander, I've got 400 grams of chopped tomatoes and 380 grams of sliced onions. And the coriander is for garnishing. Get it nice and nicely heated up. And now we're going to add oil. 1 cup of oil, vegetable oil, sunflower oil. Put all your dry spices in there. All your dry spices.
सारा स्पाइस
Whole spices I meant. You got your cardamom, you got your cloves, you got your cinnamon, you got your bay leaves. Just cook them up for 2 minutes. Start to sizzle. You can see the sizzling. You don't want to burn them. Just 2 minutes. Okay, in goes onions. We're going to cook this so they're nice golden brown. So halfway through, I'm going to add some ginger and some garlic paste. So I'm going to let this cook out for 5 minutes.
कितने मिनट?
It's been cooking for 3 minutes as the onions are getting soft. I'm going to add in my garlic and ginger. For about 7 to 10 minutes, it's golden brown. And we'll come back and see how it is. Hot, but if you want it even more hotter when you take it, you can put some green chilies in there.
ओके, तो जैसे इसको निकाल देंगे, अभी ग्रीन चिली अभी डालना है, बाद में डालना है।
These onions have been cooking for about 10 minutes. Onion, ginger, garlic, whole spices. 10 minutes, as you can see, they're almost ready.
Nice and brown.
Just a little more, just a bit more brown, get all the flavour, caramelization. A couple more minutes. But if you don't want it too hot, don't put the chilies in there. Cut down on the red chilies as well. And at the end, a lot of people will put in natural yogurt at the last minute. I don't put it in there, I put it on the side. I think it tastes much better. Okay, it's golden brown.
नाइस एंड गोल्डन
Now
ब्राउन
we're
देखिए कलर
going to add
देखिए
the spices.
खुशबू अभी आ रहा है
Chili powder, turmeric, cumin, garam masala, coriander. Cook that for 30 seconds.
how many 30 seconds
Cup of water. That stops the spices burning. You'll see all the oil separated. That means it's ready for the meat to go in. Leave this lid on. Forgot to mention, guys,
salt first
salt as you like. That's it. All the fat's nearly separated. And if you find it's too sticky, add in a little bit of water, you guys. My one is alright, but if someone's get the heat too high, it'll start to stick. You can add some water to it, but as I said, mine is alright at the moment. We're going to give it another few minutes. Lid on. Okay. Masala, just ready now. Just going to masala's ready. You can see the fat on the edges all coming out. In goes the chops. Just gonna stir fry them, seal them for about 2-3 minutes. We're gonna cook this for about till it comes to the boil. Then we're gonna add in half a pint of water, salt to taste, and then we're gonna simmer it for about 40 minutes and see how the meat's tender. And then we're gonna bhuna it, stir fry it, and maybe to get the sauce will be nice and thick, like a lovely gravy. Keep stirring this. Okay, now I'm gonna add in half a pint of water. We're going to simmer it for about half an hour, but keep stirring it every 5-10 minutes. If it gets dry, just keep adding a little bit of water, but don't let it go too thin, and don't keep it too thick, because it'll take long to cook. So at the moment, if you look at it now, that's the right consistency you want. So we're going to keep this cooking for about 30 minutes, but check it every 10 minutes. So I'm going to lower it, flame right down to low, lid on. This is Bhuna.
It's nice.
Half a coriander in there. We're going to keep a little bit for garnish.
Wow, look at the color. My God.
Let's finish it.
End of the shift. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए stay tuned. नमस्कार.